Yeah, so I'm assuming the temporary directory gets cleaned occasionally, um, but that's still like disks getting written to the disk. So I'm going to see if I can have it just stream the data from the request into Cloudflare's R2. No need to be written to disk or to memory. And from Cloudflare's R2, we could possibly trigger, I don't know if they're triggers, but we could possibly trigger um, maybe on demand um, running an embedding, running embeddings on the uploaded document or image or audio file. Or if the user decides, like if it's an audio file, he wants to transcribe the audio, we could just take it from R2 and move it over to, because we're using R2 on Cloudflare, we're also using Cloudflare's Vectorize to run some AI operations, like run AI models, especially for embeddings, because Vectorize is an embedding a vector DB, and it's fast, and so we can just move the files from R2 over to Vectorize. And yeah, that's what we're trying to achieve now. So to handle uploading the file, this is what we currently have. And I want to assume this Malta storage. So storage is like a disk um, storage engine, yeah, for Malta. And I think it just writes it. My implementation is to make temporary directory is okay, make a temporary directory, and that temporary directory um, gets added to the request objects, right? So I guess this is all like Malta stuff. And now to think about it, I'd probably just prefer if there was a Malta plugin that or storage engine that we could or I could use to stream the upload straight into Cloudflare's R2. I think I have seen something like that, and let's find out. Malta npm um, for not Amazon because it's compliant with Amazon's S3, right? So let's see what that Cloudflare's R2, the client, Amazon's um, S3 client is compatible with Cloudflare's R2. So there you have it. This is Cloudflare's R2 database storage, whatever, just like S3. And yeah, you can use the Amazon SDK, AWS SDK, S3 SDK to save files. It's really compatible, 100% compatible. That's according to them. So I'll be trying to get my access key and secret access. And but before that, Googling for yep this Malta S3. All right, it has 100,000, 171,000 downloads. So I'm thinking that makes sense. Oh, I still need this package. All right, and then this package. All right, let's go install it. So the Node.js RAG server is built in Express.js. I think I mentioned that, and that's pretty much what else do I have to tell you about it. I don't know if it does any database connectivity. It just talks to a lot of other APIs, right? Also S3, and then there we go. There we go. Hit enter. All right, no need to record this. Okay, there's something wrong. I wonder why. I didn't copy correctly. All right, I'm going to pause the video. Get back in a bit.